Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad K Sangma, pyntip baha ka arpoi terik mentau bnai kadei ka sngi ba Jylla rakhe ka Meghalaya de kinsalit ban Buh Mawnongrim bantei no Secretariat Bathymmai Mawdiangdiang. Haba kren bikila pathai Khubor Myntri Rangbah pyntip ba sorkar Jylla ka kwah ba kam kan iaid no shaid khnang baha kini ki snem endop la banpyndep no shwa katto katne teli ki jingtei. Loong ru banamar ke sorkar ka kwah banpynjan ye ka jing shakri shikipai ba kumta kan penstet ru banpyndep no ek Mini Secretariat kum hatura jawai bat kumju hapen ursla.
Also on the 21st of January, that is Meghalaya Day, we will be laying the foundation stone for our new secretariat in Mawdiangdiang. That is going to be very important. We are hopeful that we'll be able to complete at least few of the blocks within the next 2 years, so that we can actually shift some of the offices from here. So the administrative approval for that has been done, and we're laying the foundation stone by on the 21st of this month, which is Meghalaya Day. And I hope that we will be able to complete it, and tendering process should be complete by next month, and work should be awarded. So we hope that work will start very soon in that aspect. At the same time, the mini secretariats in Tura is also going to be implemented within the next month or so. It's again a 120 crore project. So in Tura, this infrastructure will come up. In Jawai, it's coming up. In Peninsula, it's coming up. So this is something that's happening. We feel that it's important to give that overall attention to overall administration and bringing administration closer to the people of the state.